Arun, next question towards you. You know, we're trying to do something. We all have tried to plan it at a scale which is really, the IIT students, Dr. Pradeep, they're trying it for a Guinness Book of World Records. The idea is to get into the records for the right reasons. We don't want to be the country with the highest diabetics, but probably with the highest awareness of diabetes. So you've started this, you're the chief coordinator for Rotary. How well do you think it's going so far? Because we are about 2 weeks away, 3 weeks away from the first camp date.
See, we started this project on diabetes almost 2 years back. We have a team of about 38 people, and half of them are doctors from different disciplines, including both of these illustrious doctors here. When we started this project, many people told me the Rotary is supposed to be an organization working for poor and needy. Why are you doing the diabetes program, which is a rich man's disease? And this is not 2 years. A month back, one of my colleagues in Rotary, very senior functionary in Rotary, again, and by profession he's a chartered accountant, he said, "What, Arun, you are doing this project, wasting your time and money on rich people?" So 2 years have taken for us to ourselves gestate the fact that we are not working for rich people. This is a disease or is a problem which is pan-economic strata of everyone. Another myth that we encountered across the time, that when you talk about disease, people do think that we are talking to people, those who are 50, 60, 70-year-old people. And this is कि अरे ये तो अमीरों की बीमारी है और बूढ़ों की बीमारी है, बुढ़ा हो गया उसको तो होनी है, छोड़ दो इसको, कुछ होना नहीं है. And then working on to this project in last 2 years, we did learn ourselves. Apart from doctors, they knew it, but people like me who are non-doctors learned that this is a problem which is across all ages. And I have now been knowing that the children are born with the diabetes itself. So we are handling here this disease which is across the economic strata and which is across all the ages. This is the learning in last 1.5, 2 years, and this is the learning to all my team and 5,000 Rotarians who have understood this. And having understood this, now they do believe that they will have to do something out in the community to save it. Everyone here said the same thing, that we will have to create an awareness in people that please go out to a doctor, have checked yourself. You do not know whether you are diabetic or not. Please check it, and don't check it just today. Kindly go again next year. We did have a press conference with our governor at the Press Club of India, Churchgate, at VT, and we had about 35 people from the press. And as usual, the press had their questions and probing and trying to prove whether you are doing right or wrong or something like this. And I asked them one question, that 35 of my brothers from the media are sitting here. How many of you have had your blood test done or diabetes test done in last 5 years? And to the fact that none of them had done. I said, how do you know you are not diabetic? You could be. So why don't you kindly check yourself? And if you are diabetic, all those problems listed, 5, 6, 7 problems, if you are running them, you could be having that problem, please check them. So coming to the actual answer of this, we are building up slowly. Our aim and target is to cover 1 lakh people being tested for the random blood sugar in next 3 or 4 months, or we will continue until the May or whatever time permits us. Our target is 1 lakh, but if we can cross 1 lakh, we will be very, very, very happy. Dr. Gadge, I met him, and this is the 50 clubs or 100 camps are being planned by the IIT. I said to him, if you plan 200 camps, kindly go ahead. Rotary will support you in whatever best way we can, in providing you whatever needs are there. Rotary, IIT has your own set of sponsors here, you have everything, but whatever we can do, we will definitely do for you. And this project is now known to everyone, and I'm very, very sure that in next 3 weeks will prove very crucial for our team to see how are we progressing on this.
Thank you, Arun. Thank you.